Hey guys, welcome to another product unboxing. Here we have the upper arm electronic blood pressure monitor. This is from Hylogy. It features a large LED display that can be seen in the daytime or night. Runs on batteries, a couple of AA batteries I believe, or USB-C. All right, so let's open this up. This runs about $26 on Amazon. As always with my unboxings, I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. I do most of my online shopping from Amazon. Probably a lot of people do. So I like to leave those links there for you guys. Okay, so let's get started here. Dun, dun, dun. So a nice packaging. The first item here is the blood pressure monitor reader, and that has a nice good look to it. This is all the screen right here, so it's got a pretty good size, be easy to read, I imagine. Down here we have the batteries, so it looks like it's got 4 AAA batteries that will run this thing, so that's cool. It has little silicone pads on the bottom too, so it's not going to be sliding around if you're trying to take your blood pressure. Here on the side it has a plug-in for your pressure cuff, and then also a USB-C jack there on the side as well. Okay, it just has 3 buttons on the front. It looks like play, maybe a memory button, and then an options button. So that's that. Let's see what else we have in the box here. Okay, well, pull that out with that. Okay, so here we have the blood pressure cuff itself. Has a fairly good size. Looks like it'll fit around most people's arms, unless you're like some kind of a bodybuilder or something like that. It should fit just fine. It's got a decent cord, probably about almost 2 feet long, if not 2. Strong Velcro on there, seems to be well built. Got single stitching around the sides here, and is that. I will be doing a second video in where I demonstrate this product. For now, this is just the unboxing, and usually my unboxings, I guess people have different unboxings. Some they call unboxings, where they do the actual review and everything else. So it has a little comment card. Looks like a little gift here. Okay, so, this is Hylogy support team. Thank you for your support of our products. 100 lucky customers. Okay. So they have a nice little bonus thing there. And then you have your manual. And looks like several different languages. I'll be checking that out. So, seems to be a nice little product here. When I do the product review video, I'll leave that video link in the description below as well, so you guys can check that out. So hopefully I'll have that out pretty soon here. I appreciate you guys watching this unboxing video. Everyone have a great day, and I will see you soon.